Our foe is more devious than we imagined. That spire was indeed a teleporter linked to a cloaked Covenant supercarrier, a grave threat. Thankfully, help is imminent. 60% of the UNSC fleet is en route to Reach from existing deployments. The first battle group should arrive within 48 hours.
Here's your food.
48 hours? That's imminent? Uh-oh. Who's your money on this time?
Her.
You always pick her.
She's always had him dialed in.
That thing's crushing us and we're waiting for backup. They'll be backing up a graveyard.
All our nukes are either out system or went down with the ships that carried them. You're preaching to the converted.
How converted?
I know that look, Cat.
You can say no.
No.
You don't even want to hear it?
Fine, I'll hear it.
Remember that accident a couple years back? Colony ship en route to Cygnus, 700 dead.
Vaguely a slip space drive malfunction, right?
Actually, it worked fine. The drive was mounted improperly after a service haul-out. When it fired, it teleported half the ship to oblivion.
This is relevant. How?
A certain Covenant supercarrier could, with some assistance, suffer the same unfortunate accident.
Even for you, Cat, that's
Inspired?
not the word I would use.
What's going on?
Go ahead. Explain.
May I?
Don't cut yourself.
Objective: destroy Covenant carrier in geosynchronous orbit above us.
This sanctioned, sir.
What do you think?
Oh.
Method: a slip space drive in lieu of the nukes we don't have. Delivery system: us. Solvable? Getting us up there. That and getting our hands on a slip space drive. Thank you for sharing.
So, all we need is orbit-capable transport and the single most expensive piece of equipment made by man.
As a soldier in the field, I couldn't possibly have access to those kinds of resources. That said, a good place to look might be, I don't know, the nearest non-existent launch site in the non-existent Saber program dismissed by 3 administrations as preposterous rumor, and in which our newest member was certainly never a pilot.
You're scary. You know that.
All we need is a green light from Holland.
Good luck with that.
You're the one asking him.
Oh, rip.
Well, there's no way in hell he's gonna go for this.
So, he went for it. Because we ain't got many options. Alrighty.
Bit of a hike to the launch facility.
Any closer, it's too hot to land.
Copy that, Commander.
Move up the beach, Noble.
Okay. Yes, sir. Checkpoint, like to see it. Where you going, fool? Get this thing.
Do it.
Oh, there's a hunter. Yeah, overkill. Oh, sucker. What the hell?
Stay on top.
His arm broke off, didn't it? Ugly. Oh, there it is. I'm coming. I'm coming.
More hostile.
Oh, it's different.
To the south.
Root them out.
Oh shit. This thing isn't too effective.
Flag out.
Yeah.
Incoming.
Oh shit.
Coming in! Watch your fire!
Still can't believe Holland said yes to this.
Well, some plans are too good to say no.
Let's get that saber airborne before he changes his mind.
Oh no, bro. Die. I guess I gotta take this. Oh, fuck, man. One hit. Yeah, what's up, motherfucker? What's up? Hello. I don't remember you guys being here. Oh.
All clear.
I think I'm good
George,
with this.
6. Get to the saber before the Covenant wreck it.
Huh.
What about you and Cat?
June's on his way with a Falcon. We'll expel after you launch.
I just like this.
Launch team. Saber is prepped and ready for launch.
What gun you got? Trade, yeah.
Having fun yet?
Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Come on, George.
Struts disengaged. Commencing launch in T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh shit, you see that mobile section? I didn't notice that. What the hell?
First stage engine burn nominal. Stage separation in 3, 2, 1. Stage separation. Second stage ignition confirmed.
Alright.
Noble Actual to Saber Bravo 029. Over.
Copy actual.
What?
Colonel
Hello.
Holland.
Yo, I got a
Noble
sparkle
5.
laser.
Welcome to Operation Uppercut.
This is,
I'll be your control from here
this is
on out.
Gauss cannon?
Understood.
Oh
Colonel.
my.
Noble 6, these sabers have been customized for orbital defense. You may need to get reacquainted. Rendezvous at Anchor 9 with Frigate Savannah and the other sabers as soon as you're ready. Holland out.
Alright, I'm ready. Let's go.
Here we go, 6. Show them what you can do.
Okay. Oh, dominating. Oh man, they.
Defensive batteries are at 56%. Hang in there, Saber teams.
Oh, they're done. They're done. Look at that. Comb through them. What's left? Oh, dominating. Where's he going? Oh my, eradicated. Oh, you hate to see it.
Anchor 9 are to UNSC ships. Impulse drive signatures detected. Fighter class. Heads up, Sabers.
Am I one-tapping? Oh, he's just floating. They're all just floating.
Saber teams, use your guns to take down their shields, then hit them with your missiles.
I'm missing.
Defensive batteries at 79%.
Alright, so I gotta take
Buy
out
us
the
another minute,
shields
Saber teams.
instantaneously. Right? Yep. And this. Ooh, that almost hurt. That hurt. It's lagging out. Why does that suck? Take it out this way. Yeah, that's easier.
Anchor 9 are to all craft in the vicinity. Be advised we show a large attack force inbound. Combat air patrol and Saber teams are directed to engage and defend the station.
Oh boy.
Is there any place the Covenant isn't?
Anchor 9 to all UNSC ships. Station defenses are back online. Clear the lane. We'll light them up.
Oh, they're lighting me up already. Oh, they're overclassing. Okay. Oh my god, there's so many. This. I'm sorry if you get sick from watching this. Where the hell? Turn.
Phantom signatures detected on forward-facing vector.
Phantoms. Dude, I gotta use the missiles.
Anchor 9 to all UNSC fighters.
Yep.
Multiple inbound Phantoms headed straight for our defensive batteries. Saber teams, we're marking high-value gunboat targets now.
Oh my god. Damage.
Gunboats are in position. Damage control teams at the ready. Phantom torpedoes away. Bracing for impact. Collision alarm.
Collision alarm? How close? Fucking light my ass. Die. Pussy. God. No, you don't get to escape. Holy
Anchor
shit.
Niner to UNSC ships. All targets neutralized. Bravo 029er, you are clear to dock. Activating marker.
Holland to Bravo 029er. Noble 5, you ready to go?
Affirmative, Colonel. I'm out here, 6.
Warning. M-Spec re-entry pack disengaged.
I need your override.
Warning. M-Spec re-entry. Cockpit depressurization complete. Canopy release lever armed.
Excuse me.
Max Sagadov Siva.
Noble 5, please repeat.
Pull up surface grid 19 by 22.
Gladly. Only sword base, sector 18G.
Thermal enhance.
Noble 5, your pulse is elevated. There is nothing you can do for Dr. Halsey and the others inside sword base. The mathematics are determinate. Noble 5?
I know.
Bravo 29er, you're cleared to re-engage thrusters.
Noble 6, this is Holland.
Go ahead, Colonel.
We've flagged a Corvette-class vessel on a predicted docking track with our target. Get our makeshift bomb on that Corvette, and we have our delivery system. Noble 5 will escort the bomb. I need your Saber team to clear the way for boarding.
Understood, Colonel.
As she's already donated her slip space drive to the cause, the Savannah will be joining you to provide local fire support.
UNSC Savannah. Our wings may be clipped, but we've got your back.
I've stuck my neck out for Noble on this one, Lieutenant.
We'll get it done, Colonel. 6 out.
Dang. Sucks because you know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna try and change it though. Try and change history.
Target Corvette sighted within visual range of nav beacon RA-15.
We have visual. Target confirmed.
Here we go.
Frigate Savannah in position. Saber team, sound off.
Echo 1, all systems nominal.
Right forward.
Good to go. Echo 3, systems green.
Echo 4, all systems online.
Solid copy. We are currently
I like the
jamming the
Gauss gun.
Corvette's comms. Hit it hard while it can't call for help.
Agreed. Saber teams, clear a path to that Corvette.
Yeah.
Might want to clip her engines, Colonel. See if we can slow her down.
Good thinking, Savannah. That'll make boarding her a whole lot easier. Noble 6, I'm marking targets. Take out the Corvette's main engines.
There you go. Yep. Now, can I just take out these turrets?
Warning. Energy flares detected in the Corvette's aft launch bays.
Heads up, Sabers. Multiple impulse drive signatures detected. More bogies incoming.
Echo 2 to Savannah Actual. Where are the reinforcements coming from? I thought the target was jammed.
Must be squadrons coming back from patrol, Echo 2.
Don't let any of them get away, Sabers. Kill them before they bug out and warn that supercarrier what we're up to.
God, I hate this shit, dude. Oh, what the fuck? Shoot me, huh? You. Come on. Holy bitch.
Dot. Analyze all available data on that Corvette. Find a way inside.
Scans indicate a structural weakness surrounding a platform on top of the vessel.
Noble 6, set down immediately on that Corvette's topside landing pad.
Oh, finally, get out of this thing. Oh, I'm in a rush. I gotta stop them guns. Ah, yes, the energy source.
Noble 6, the Savannah's countermeasures won't work forever. Find a way inside and permanently disable that cruiser's communications. Holland to Savannah. Enemy comm relay is now offline.
Copy that. Halting countermeasures, diverting all power and personnel to weapons.
Now let's do it,
all right,
boys.
Noble. Let's get that slip space bomb on board. 6, head for the hangar.
Colonel, on our way to the hangar.
Noble 5, meet him there.
Affirmative. On approach.
Damn. Ah. Oh, I hate. Where's the engineer? Oh my god. Kill it, kill it. Dude, I hate. Oh, are you kidding me? Where the fuck is... Fuck off. Where is the stupid ass engineer? Fuck, man. Where is this shit? There he is. I'm sorry, engineer. You're screwing me up. Are you... Fuck you! Oh... Good, come up here. I know you're fucking good. Yeah, here you come. Fuck off. Fuck right off. Huh? Huh? He's gonna ambush me. Alright, where's this engineer? There he is. Where'd he go? Get your ass away from my boy. No. Give me this. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, I'm giving this to one of the boys.
6, go for those shield controls. I need in.
Oh, God. Dude, give me a gun. Give me a gun. Give it to me.
I'll put it to good use.
Jeez.
Powder keg is aboard, Colonel.
Copy that. 6, get your fire team to the bridge. The Corvette's refueling run with the will have to be initiated manually.
Yes, sir.
5, stay with the bomb and discourage the curious.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Hear that, Lieutenant? I'll be all by my lonesome back here. Make it quick, would ya?
I'm on a time crunch. I gotta save the Savannah. Let's go. Come on. Fucker.
Savannah to Holland, sustaining major structural damage. We need to break off, Colonel.
Copy, Savannah. Our team is in. Disengage.
Shit. Fuck you, you
Break
fucking
off! Break off! Hull breach! Reactor
split lip.
Copy, Savannah. Our team is in. Disengage.
Where are you going, you little
Break off! Hull breach! Reactor's flaring! Damn it, I'm losing her!
fuck off, dude.
Break off! Break off! Hull breach! Reactor's flaring! Damn it, I'm losing her!
No.
Can you hear me?
Take my balls. Piece of shit.
Frigate's gone, 6. Nothing we could do.
Noble, you're in deep with no cover. Get that Corvette moving and get the hell out of there.
Piece of shit. Brutes and elites. Oh, this is Zealot. Fuck, dude. Oh, grunts. Here we go. Gun. Oh, he's coming. Bro, this is fucking elite. Fucking idiot. Oh, shit. I hate these brutes. Fuck. I hate how aggressive they are. That gun. It's a good gun. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yes. Oh, nice. Is that all of them? Good shit, guys.
Move, Lieutenant. Put that Corvette on a refueling track to the supercarrier. Well done, Noble 6. Uppercut initiated. Corvette is underway.
Fuck out of here.
6. Our right out of here is taking heavy fire. Get back to the hangar.
Fucking jackal. Alright, come on, boys.
At your earliest convenience, Noble 6.
Coming, George. I'm coming. am I? Oh, that hurt. Oh. Oh fuck, what am I doing? Fuck them up. Oh shit, my boys are dying.
It's good of you to come. Hostiles are pounding the hell out of a Pelican.
Ground pound. We have guns. Oh, wait, hold on. Alright, cool. Yes. Yeah, this is good.
Coming to you. Stop making that rifle sing, man.
I like this guy.
Little help here, little help here. Open up.
Go, motherfucker. Yes. Where are you going? Holy shit, that worked. Oh, fuck. Cool, a Marine survived. Laura. Oh, a survivor coming. Fuck you. Get up to my Marine. Fuck. I'm saving this one. Fuck you, asshole.
Area
Oh.
secure.
Holy shit, where are you at? Thank God. Nice.
There's no way back up to the Sabres. Level 6, form up on me.
Come on, Laura.
Distance is closing on this vessel's refueling track with the Covenant supercarrier. 76 seconds to endpoint.
So, it's gonna be like that. Well, I got good news and bad news. This bird took some fire and our thruster gimbal is toast, which means the only way off this slag heap is gravity.
And the good news?
That was the good news.
At current velocity, 53 seconds to endpoint.
Yeah.
Dang.
Bad news is, time is fried. I'm gonna have to fire it manually.
That's a one-way trip.
We all make it sooner or later. Better get going, Six. They're gonna need you down there. Listen, Reach has been good to me. Time has come to return the favor. Don't deny me this.
If only you knew.
Tell him to make it count.
Oh wait, what about Laura?
Slip space rupture detected.
Gamma station control, reading multiple pings below the orbital defense
Slip
grid.
space rupture detected.
Yeah, we're picking up anomalies too. Are you reading
Slip
it?
space rupture detected.
Multiple Covenant signatures.
Slip space
Does anyone have
rupture
a big...
detected.
They're everywhere!
Slip space rupture detected.
The whole damn
Just
Covenant
Slip
visit
space
drill
rupture
divers.
detected.